Makena Beach, also known as Big Beach, is one of the most stunning and pristine beaches in all of Maui, Hawaii. Makena Beach is famous for its white sand, turquoise waters, and scenic views of the islands of Molokini and Kahoʻolawe. Today, we're headed to South Maui, past the towns of Kihei and Wailea. We'll be visiting Maui's largest undeveloped white sand beach. To get here, we'll need to head south on Makena Road. There are 3 different entrances to Makena Beach. We'll be parking at the first entrance, which has the largest parking area. Parking costs $10 per vehicle, plus $5 per person. Hawaii residents are exempt with valid identification. It's a short walk down this trail to get to the beach. There is a lifeguard stand at this beach, however swimming can be very dangerous. The shore break and rip currents here can be extremely scary, so don't go in the water unless you're a strong and experienced swimmer. Let's start our walk down the beach towards the beautiful Overlook. To get to the Overlook, you'll need to hike up this steep but short trail. When you reach the top, you're rewarded with an amazing view of Makena Beach. This beach is well over a half-mile long and 100 feet wide in some areas. You can see why it's one of our favorite beaches on the entire island. Just a heads up, behind us is Little Beach, the only unofficial clothing optional beach on Maui. We won't be showing you that beach today. If you're hungry on the way out, be sure to check out the taco truck just outside the parking area. That concludes our tour of Makena Beach. If you enjoyed this video, do us a favor and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our content. Mahalo!